At some point, you may need to redefine your table. Let's look at an example. Let's say we have this table here, which has been titled People 3. And this table consists of names, the states from which they came, the companies they work for, and the cars they drive. So for example, David comes from Oregon, he works at NASA, and he drives a Chevy. However, we want to also include his hobbies. So let's try to include his hobby. Now, before I put in the VLOOKUP function, I added a field, hobby, and here are the hobbies of the people. However, keep in mind, we've defined the table as being within this outline. The hobby fields have not been included within the outline of the People 3 table. So, if we try to reference field 5, VLOOKUP C18, table array People 3, number 5, because the hobby field is in field 5, and then false, what we will get is reference. The table is not defined past this outline border. So therefore, we must redefine the table. So to do this, we go to Formulas, Name Manager, People 3, and we'll click on this field. Let me move this over here. We'll click on this field and see how it outlines the table that People 3 encompasses. Well, the table is defined from C11, which is from here, to F14. We need the table now to be from C11 to G14. So, what we'll do is click here, redefine the table, hit enter, hit the check mark, as you see here it's now G14, hit the check mark, and then close, and now it says fencing. So let's look at the hobbies now of each person. Richard likes bowling. David likes fencing. Anne likes, we'll open up this field, horses, horseback riding. And Samuel likes baseball. So this is how we redefine our table.